My name is Nalumunye. Now here, we are selling baskets.
Primary 5 right, and I'm going to tell you the steps needed in making herbal jelly. We need a ripe avocado, we need white oil, we need micro wax. Welcome for this exposition day. Here we are the liquid soap makers.
My name is Nalumunye and I am here to tell you about the ingredients used in making liquid soap. The first ingredient is clean water, sulfuric acid, salt, perfume, ungalu.
1 liter we have 3,000 only. 5 liters we have 10,000 shillings only.
Baby, you go,
You must be observant with the gaps and families will tighten it.
We need to be careful with these spots and align them with this whole thing.
The heat sink pump is also the processor. Since our computer system uses electricity, it generates heat.
when you're 95, 95, oh, Malevi Karagosio. Wapi, nishike.
The grid then transports electricity to a transformer. It steps it up when the voltage of electricity is too low, and from the pole then supplies electricity through the solid wire to the house.
Nani maliza hoko, nishike hoko.
The circulatory system comprises the heart, blood and blood vessels.
The heart has valves, as you can see. These are the valves of the heart to prevent the backflow of blood. The heart is separated by the septum to prevent oxygenated blood from mixing with the oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood from the lungs flows back to the heart through the vena cava into the left atrium to the left ventricle at a high pressure by the help of the thick muscular wall. High blood pressure is the disease of the circulatory system which attacks the blood vessels of the heart, making them narrow.
The axial skeleton is made up of the skull, the rib cage, the vertebra, the pelvis. The appendicular skeleton is made up of the limbs or the hands and legs.
We use a hook and we also use these mats plus a pair of scissors.
Kidogo, sweet kama Jojo katoto kamodo. Kata, kidogo, nata, na mikogo. Ataka, kidogo, sweet kama Jojo katoto kamodo. Oh, desire, desire. Oh, yana, yana. Oh.
My name is Omega Jasmine and I am here to take you through the steps when replacing a flat tire.
I'm going to mention some of that. We need a car jack, a spare wheel, a wheel spanner, and the wedges.